Welcome to Busan. Today we're starting our journey right here at Busan Station, one of the busiest transportation hubs in South Korea. As we approach the front of the station, you can see the large glass facade and the spacious plaza that's always filled with travelers heading in every direction. We're taking the KTX high-speed train to Seoul today, a trip that takes about 2 hours and 45 minutes. So let's head inside and begin our walk. Stepping into the main hall of Busan Station, the space opens up with bright lighting and wide walkways. Ticket counters line one side, and automated machines make buying or confirming tickets quick and simple. Signs throughout the station are easy to follow in multiple languages, which makes navigating this place smooth even for first-time visitors. There are cafes at level 2, we have a coffee at the cafes and enjoy the views. Boarded the train on time and inside the KTX, everything feels calm and spacious. The seats are comfortable, the ride is quiet, and the windows give us perfect views of the landscape. Once the train starts moving, we'll be traveling at speeds up to 300 kilometers per hour. Passing through cities like Daegu, Daejeon, and Cheonan. The scenery shifts from urban neighborhoods to open countryside, with mountains, fields, and small towns sliding by as we make our way north. It's a fast trip across the country, so sit back and enjoy the ride. After about 2 hours and 45 minutes, the train begins to slow down as we enter Seoul. And here we are, Seoul Station. Stepping onto the platform, the atmosphere immediately feels livelier and faster. This station is a major transportation hub in the capital, connecting high-speed rail, commuter trains, the airport express, and several subway lines. As we walk through the main concourse, we pass convenience stores, cafes, ticket centers, and long corridors full of people moving in every direction. If you enjoy calm travel videos like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and lets me bring you more peaceful trips from around the world.